I was given this electric lighter. It's an electric arc lighter, no flame, windproof, has a safety lock, does come with a charger. You will need a block or a special outlet for that because it's the USB. And then of course this end is USB-C. Flip it up. Sometimes it's hard to get your fingers down there. Is that not perfect? No open flame. These are great to use for weddings, birthdays. You don't have to worry about the flame going out or lighting the candles and all that. These really are great. You don't have to stick your hand all the way down there. It's long enough if there is something you can't get your hand into, like the glasses of candles. I do highly recommend these. They're rechargeable.